Today we're going to be showcasing one of our brand new 2026 units, and it's going to be a Prolite Classic. Now these Prolites are fantastic because they are Canadian made and they're ultra lightweight travel trailers designed for cars, vans, and SUVs. This Classic in particular comes under 2,290 pounds dry weight, which is ideal for a SUV or a van, and it also holds up to 3 adults on the inside as well. Not only is this exciting because it's brand new, but it has tons of upgrades added to this particular model, such as 200 watts of solar power, AC, bike hitch on the rear as well. You've got this front panel guard here too. Just tons of upgrades we've added to this particular model. Perfect and ready for its full-time owner. Starting at the very front here, you're going to have double propane tanks on the front. So you got two 20-pound propane tanks. You've got manual tongue jack and manual stabilizers around the rest of the unit. You've got this guard here on the front to protect the fiberglass from rock chips and flying up stone and debris. You've got this nice unique shape to it, which is not only great for making it aerodynamic, being towed behind smaller vehicles, but it is a single piece of fiberglass from that very front guard all the way around to the bumper, which helps completely eliminate any stress about having seals or damage happen with water leaking in through the top. Since this is straight from the factory, we got a couple of things here straight in the boxes that haven't been put on quite yet. You've got a spare tire, which you've added to this unit. A lot of the newer trailers are coming with these flat tire emergency repair kits, but we always like to add a spare when we can. You've got your power cord here and a couple other goodies in there, fire extinguisher, all the other accessories. On this Classic, although Prolite is known for making lightweight compact trailers, this Classic has a decent floor plan size to it. It is still lightweight, but you still get lots of nice things that you don't typically get in a smaller trailer, such as a great pass-through storage area. You could properly store plenty of belongings in here, which you don't always get with the other Prolite floor plans. Stepping back, some other premium features on this model is you're going to have a hard shell awning here on the exterior. You've got plenty of windows to let natural light in. They are dark tinted, which not only looks great against this white design they have for the decal, but that dark tint helps regulate the air temperature on the inside as well as give you some privacy. Walking around the rear, you're going to notice you've got more windows here too. You've got your bumper here, you've got your hitch there on the back, and you'll see you've got your manual stabilizers there as well. Stepping on the inside of this Classic is where it's really going to shine, because you're going to see all these great features you get when you buy a premium ultra lightweight Canadian made trailer. Starting in the nose, this is the most iconic part of the Classic floor plan, is you're going to have this Murphy bed style area. So first of all, it's a great little seating area, perfect for putting on shoes, sitting down to relax, and you've got these little side tables beside you. You can put your coffee, just kind of slowly wake up for the morning. You've got some storage underneath here where you can store some of your belongings. Folding that down, let's show off the Murphy bed here itself. So simply just move these two latches here, and this is gonna drop down. Now this is gonna reveal your Murphy style bed. It's nice that you can have a compact trailer and still this nice proper bed rather than sleeping on top of a dinette. So you've got this nice mattress there that folds out. They thought ahead, and although you do have these little tables here if you are in the bed, that's really for more of that lounging area. Now you've got these tables here in the rear where you can have all of your belongings. You can have your phone, alarm clock, CPAP machine, anything you need to kind of tuck off to the side is accessible on either side of the bed. You've got this great window here, which is going to let plenty of light into the trailer, but they started this in 2025 and kept it for the 2026s. You have 100% block out blinds here now too. So they are 100% light block out blinds. They are full magnetic, so easy to take on and off, and just a great feature for those who need complete darkness when they sleep. You're still going to have plenty of storage here too. You've got storage up above, you've got your speakers on either side, entertainment system, and since this has 200 watts of solar power, that's going to be your solar controller there as well. Flipping over to the rest of the trailer, this is a fantastic trailer if you are a couple or a small family, because you've got the nice large bed behind me. You still have a little small dinette here to sit down, have your morning coffee, play some card games, get out from the sun or the rain, but this is going to convert to an extra sleeping area too. This table is going to simply drop down onto these little bumpers right there. You're going to have these cushions come over, and now you've got a third spot to sleep extra guests. For all those extra guests, you're going to need to cook them meals, so you've got nice premium features here that come in this trailer, such as a stainless steel sink, nice high-rise matte black faucet. You've got a 2-burner stovetop here, which you've got your two 20-pound propane tanks. So you're going to have plenty of propane to run that, and that's going to simply fold down to give you more countertop space. You've got a traditional microwave up above, storage up above, and another change they made in 2025, which they kept in these 2026s, is you've got these full metal catches here and nice upgraded metal hinges. Closing that off, you're going to have a full electric fridge freezer combo here, which is going to be aided by your solar power. That's your fridge freezer combo. Still storage up above, just like you would have not only in a regular kitchen. You have to remind yourself you're in a travel trailer, but you're also in a small compact travel trailer, and you still have all of this storage like you would at home. Storage up above here, no spot is wasted. And last but not least, you're going to have a full washroom here in the rear. You've got yet another stainless steel sink. You've got a shower with this full fiberglass insert rather than a waterproof wallpaper they used to have in the older Prolites. You've got yet again more storage and cabinetry space, and storage here as well. If you are looking for a nice fully loaded ultra lightweight travel trailer made in Canada and great quality, you found the right one for you. If you want to see all this trailer has to offer in person, come on down and check this one out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.